Hey everyone, it's John-Marc from JMG Studio. I wanted to share an important update. I'll be leaving YouTube in the coming days. I won't be adding any new content here anymore. But don't worry, this isn't goodbye. It's a brand new beginning. All of my old favorites and exciting new lessons will now be part of a new creative family on Rumble, with bigger art classes, live sessions, and tons of new projects coming your way. Jump over and join me on Rumble. Just look for JMG Studio. I'm already there with some videos, and new lessons are dropping later this week. Thank you all so much for your amazing support over the years. It's been a fun and inspiring journey here. But it's time to move to a platform where I can truly grow and connect with you even more. Let's start this new journey together today. See you soon on Rumble, John-Marc.